In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import audio as well as video from the media storage into your courses, meaning into the membership area directly. Adding these files to course lessons is a lot faster if you reuse already uploaded files from the media section instead of creating duplicates. This feature helps you to centralize content and to manage content much more effectively. Let me show you how you can do this. So first, navigate to memberships on the left, courses at the top, click products, and then select the course in question where you would like to add a lesson. Let's go with the overview videos for each feature. Here we want to add a new lesson, click add content, add a lesson, give it a title, hit create lesson, click on the new lesson, and then here you have the regular upload button, but instead we want to select this import from media storage. Then we want to click upload and it forwards you directly into the media storage. From here we can then upload existing videos and audio files. So let's go with the overview videos. Let's double tap the overview platform video. And tada, the video has already been pulled into the course lesson. Please note that image files are currently not supported. Currently, you can only upload video as well as audio. If you do not see the upload from media button, please make sure that you are the one who created that lesson. And please go ahead and verify that your user role includes access to media as well as memberships and courses. You can also reuse the same video in multiple different lessons. Please note that learners will only see the published version. They will not see any drafts. And that's how easily you can manage your content much more effectively without using too much storage and not needing to create duplicates. I hope you like this feature and be sure to check out all of our free snapshots, courses and SOP that are linked in the description below. I will see you over there.